back at the Monkey Bar Racing channel. Today putting that FMF Shorty trusty old kx100 today. So we're gonna install it, see how it sounds before and after test on the sounding, see how it looks. Yes sir. Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna take off these bundle dudes. Well, we're gonna replace this old silencer with an FMF Shorty, 10mm. Take these off. Loosen these up a little bit. Now I'm gonna get the 8mm for the other one. Okay, that one's out. I'm gonna switch it over to an 8mm. This one. Alright. Alright. Okay. Pull that one off. Pull the side plastic off. Alright. So another problem we kind of came across though, this thing is like all loose, and we just put this thingy on too. So I don't know what's with that, but gotta get that fixed at some point. Alright, we're gonna take off this old silencer. I'm just gonna take this, make this loose, pull it off. Okay, pull this out. Just like that. And then we'll just slip this right off. There we go. Here we go. So that's the old silencer. It's a foot long. The other Shorty is 9 inches. So there you go. All right, we're putting these bundle dudes in. So took us a while to figure out what went where, but I think we finally figured it out. So tighten it real good this time so that they don't rattle off again. And so my silencer don't pop off like last time. Nice. I think I just broke something. I heard a crack. There's probably the plastic on the other side. So there's the FMF Shorty. Look how good it looks. Now we're waiting for the factory pipe. Well, we're not waiting for it, but I'm gonna get it. He's gonna get it time. Since we're working at the Monkey Bar and Grill. Go check us out. This summer. Just slapping on the side cover. Finish her out. She already looks nice. Yep. Look at that. Nice and shiny. And then we're gonna torch the end of it just to finish it off. Like Tyler Monaghan. Getting on this 8mm. Alright. Okay, that one's on there. Got this one right here. 10mm again. Gotta get it started first. Alright. There we go. Get this shot right there on the side view. Here's the side view. It's the old ones stick out like to here. This one looks so much better on it. Yeah, the old one was 12 inches from here to here. This one's 9 inches from back here to right there. So looking good. Yep. All right, guys. So go check out Maxima
They got the best lubes out there, racing oils. This is for lubing your cable. You got FMF here. Go check out FMF. This FMF looks so much better on here, and it's gonna sound a lot better. Gives it. And we got the chain wax. Got the SC one. We got Cable Life, and they're best products out there. FMF is amazing, or FMF and Maxima is amazing. Also, go check out amsoil. All right, guys. I'm gonna put some coolant in Ethan's bike. It was pretty low, so.
Wait, let me just check it. And I suck at pouring this stuff. Yep, right up there. It's all good.
Perfect.
Yeah, barely any on. So.
I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. It's a
There
little
it
low. Then we're gonna put some brake fluid in it, so, yep. Alright guys, we're gonna start up this FMF Shorty right now. Ooh, backfire. Well, it's got a little bit of bog at the beginning, so you might jet it. So we'll show you how to do that if you decide to jet it.